watch the full video in the end. At the highly anticipated boxing match between Manny Pacquiao and Brandon Rios in Macau in November 2013, Filipino-American singer Jessica Sanchez delivered a powerful and memorable performance by singing both the Philippine national anthem, Lupang Hinirang, and the U.S. national anthem, the Star-Spangled Banner. Her rendition marked a proud moment for many fans as she honored both her Filipino heritage and American upbringing. The dual performance showcased not only her vocal talent but also her connection to both cultures, making it a symbolic and emotional highlight of the event.
Pelas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig. Di ka pa sisiil sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy, sa langit mong bughaw, may tilang ang tuwa. Awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagninigning. Ang bituin at tarang niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng aral ng luwahit ipagsinta.